Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely good. Sorry, this bucket is behind. Thing is, my AC is dripping and there's all water over here which I need to clean now. I just went to the parlor and I got a haircut done, but क्या करूँ? Bike पे आ रही थी. Like I obviously ride a bike, so my hair is all messy now. I can't do any, you know, proper haircut. I have to do a straight cut because I have done nanoplasty. So I missed that time where I could, do layers and stuff. But क्या करें कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ करना पड़ता है because I don't like my wavy hair that much because I can't manage it. Like I'm not someone who can manage wavy hair. Okay, I just came home and I'm gonna share with y'all my evening routine. Also, my skin is doing so bad. Like if you'll see, it is doing so bad. All thanks to PCOS. And I want to show you something. Can you all see this? ये देख रहे हो एक पंछी मेरे बालकनी में घोंसला बनाने की कोशिश कर रही है and she's becoming successful because I'm letting her do it because the window is open. I don't close it because the AC compressor is there. So बना दी उसको अगर वो उसने बना दिया तो मैं आपको मेरे अगले ब्लॉग में दिखाऊंगी. Why am I talking so much of Hindi? I don't know, something's wrong with me. Also, today Khatro Ki Khiladi is starting and I'm gonna watch it. Like I just realized there are so many reality shows going on. Like first, I started watching Latent. Means it is so a comedy show, whatever. I started watching Lockup for the first time. I never watched the season one. Then there's Traitors coming from Today Katra Khiladi. Then there's Big Boss, which is my favorite. If you all know me, you all know how much I love Big Sasta Jugaad when you don't have a stand uh, to dry clothes. Also, I realized one thing. जब आपके पास कोई चीज़ होती है ना तब आप उसको वैल्यू नहीं करती है पर जब नहीं होती तब आप उसको वैल्यू करते हो. And I'm saying that because you know why? Because I have this balcony and I always wanted to have a balcony in my house, but we never had one like this. I mean, we have a balcony, but a balcony, which is on like a first floor and वहाँ से ऐसा view आता है. And now that I am living in a place like this, I don't even come to the balcony. Like this is what I have realized, and it's not in the matter of some things; it's even in the matter of people. When someone is too available, you don't value them or something like that. That's what I've realized. And yeah, so technically I have this balcony, but I rarely come here. I don't have the time, and it's technically, you always wish for things, but when you get it, you kind of undervalue it, or you don't realize that that was once upon a time your wish, and that's what you wanted once. And you're now you should be like technically these are the little things that I'm grateful for. That once I wanted to have a live in a flat on the first floor, have a balcony, and today I am having it. And sometimes I just realize that I'm not grateful for it. And it also has a pretty view. Like let me show you. Like can you look at it? Like wow. And I rarely get to see this view because I come late from work sometimes, so I don't get this view. And यहाँ से sunset इतना खूबसूरत होता है. Like today, there are all clouds. Otherwise, I would have shown you the sunset. It's almost 6:30 now. So yeah, but I guess what I said, you all understood. I'm not that good at expressing और मेरा बड़ ऐसा बहुत fast बात करती हूँ मैं. But I don't have control of my tongue, so I don't know. It's just in me that I talk fast. So yeah. So also the breeze, can you see like the breeze is so good over here, like so good. So my phone is charging and I can't record. So I just took bath, and after taking bath, I always apply my deodorant. So I use this Be Body by Sky. I have used 3 bottles and this is my fourth bottle. And this time I bought a fragrance one. So it has this watermelon fragrance which is so nice. Like the smell is really good. And I do my nighttime skincare routine after having my dinner. This basically like I'll show you all. So probably I guess I'll show you all the deodorant later on because it's charging, so I can't do it. Also, it's not even 6:45 something. I don't know what to do. I'm feeling very bored, but yeah. Or look up like it comes at 8 o'clock, so about time and then Katrukadi is at 9 o'clock. And I don't know how to record that because I watched on my phone. But हम कुछ तो जमेला करके sort out कर देंगे. Also, I was thinking to do this one video series, like perfume series. So, like on Instagram, where I show what perfumes I use, like what I've been using, and kind of reviewing them. So I might do that because मेरे पास बहुत time बचा है. तो यहाँ पे मेरा सब सामान पड़ा हुआ है. So this is the one that I've been using. This bottle got over. It's like this. This doesn't have the fragrance. This has the fragrance. I don't know how do you figure out the difference, but हाँ उसमें फ्रेगनेंस है और इसमें इसमें फ्रेगनेंस है उसमें फ्रेगनेंस नहीं है. So I apply this. I also have this cute setup of my perfume which I recently did. Like these are all my perfumes that I use. These are my favorite ones. And there are some weird. Yeah, this is mini me. So hi. Guys, I had shaved my underarms and it's burning like anything. So I done it 2 days ago, and I always wax, but this time I didn't have the time to go to the parlor and stuff. So I decided to shave it off. Okay, and now it's burning so badly. Like I did apply a nice exfoliator, then I shaved it and applied an aloe vera gel. I applied a deodorant much later, and this 2 days it's like scratching really badly, and now it's burning. Like, please vex kar lo, shaving mat karna if you have very sensitive underarms. Like, I can't bear the pain, but it is burning, guys. But yeah, my pain tolerance threshold is a lot, I guess. I don't know how I'm bearing it, but I'm kind of bearing it. I'm sitting in such a weird position down. I'm keeping my hands on the chair so my underarms get some air, and I'm feeling much better. I guess I'll apply ice later. And I don't know why I shaved. I'll never shave again. But yeah, क्या करूँ मैं? It is a mistake, I guess. Mistake. But I have done shaving before also. But the first time ऐसा कोई ऐसा हो रहा है because it was itching also a lot for me these 2 days. So पता नहीं, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so I'll show you my perfume. So I have this Jean by Rivona. उसका review मैं अभी नहीं बताऊंगी. You can go and watch my Instagram if I have uploaded the reels. This. Then I have Blubbly Blue Lip Practice, which I have not used yet. I have this one from the studio which I had taken for my Humpy trip. If you all are following me on Instagram, you all know I had gone for a trip in Humpy. Then I have a bottle which is my basically for daily use. I have a cute mini picture of photo here because और perfumes नहीं है बनने के लिए पर perfume obsession is that much that I will buy more perfumes. I have a love drunk which I have not used yet. It's from Lovely Blue as well. There are two mini perfumes. It was a gift set that was given to me. No, that I had got not given to me. So there's a mini perfumes from Bella Vita. This one is amazing. The glam one. I have one in my pouch, which is down there. I guess Senorita or something like that. I don't remember. One is in my bike, and yeah. So it was a set of four. Then I have Studio Wear, which was gifted to me on my birthday. It is one of my most favorite. It's almost like I can't see it now, but I could see it in the morning. It's like here something. And yeah, this is my second favorite, like on for daily use. This Cookie Crush from Lovely Blue is a really nice vanilla fragrance. I don't know, I like vanilla fragrance and stuff. So and berries and lilac something. But I really love such fragrances, just caramel or vanilla, all that. And my favorite, the most favorite, which I don't even use much because I just use this much, is that Gucci Flora, which was gifted to me on my birthday. And it's my most favorite one, but I use it very rarely and it lasts for about 6 to 7 hours. But I use it very rarely because बहुत महंगा है और मैं वो afford नहीं कर सकती. So I use it like I used it on my birthday. Then I used it recently, I guess for some, yeah, for my dad's birthday. I don't remember my grandma's birthday something, but I don't use it much like that. Right? It's just there, and I want to fill it like more. But yeah, I will do that. जब मेरे पास बहुत पैसा होगा तो मैं और परफ्यूम कर दूंगी. For now, I'm on my saving journey, so I don't want to simply waste money. Or not, it's not wasting money, but simply spend money on perfumes. But I love perfumes a lot. So if I enter and meet you guys and y'all want to gift me something, you'll gift me some perfumes. Just kidding, guys. But yeah, now I'm on my saving journey, so I definitely don't want to spend much on perfumes and stuff. My last purchase was the Lovely Blues 3 set of perfumes, which I bought for around 1,400, for 3 perfumes because they had a discount going on, and they're amazing. I Those ads used to just come on my Facebook, and then I was like, let's just try it, and I just bought their 100 ml cup perfumes, and because there was a sale also going on, so I guess that was my last purchase. And after that, I got a jean by Rivona, which also was coming on my Facebook this, but then I didn't like it that much. But yeah, that was my last one. Uske baad, I don't know, but I will probably give it mine not to spend more on perfumes and stuff, and rather save it now because I'm at that age where I guess I should start saving more rather than spending lavishly. You know, you get because I have some bigger trips also, so I need to purchase them. So yeah, but I love perfumes. Like you can see this, guys. So my yesterday's lockup episode was, like left. I had not finished it. I was just watching that, and today is a Judgment Day. Today is 1st of August, and I guess it's going to be a very far to Judgment Day because वो क्या blast कर रहे हैं सबको यार. But I feel somewhere Leila was right. Like Pamela did instigate him first, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm enjoying it. It's just 20 minutes left for the new episode to come, and I'm just here on the bed. I'm gonna make some Maggie for me. I had a really nice lunch today. I went to my aunt's place. So रात को मैं Maggie खाऊंगी and yeah, I guess till 10 I'm sorted and then I'll do my skincare and I'll be off to bed because I'm going to vlog tomorrow as well because I guess this will be too short. So yeah, and I don't know, but I'm kind of addicted to Lock Up now because her Rose दिखती थी. So I actually started watching Lock Up a week late, no, 2 weeks later, and somehow I synced with it. Like मैं पूरा दिन Lock Up देखती थी. Even at work I was watching Lock Up. I became so addicted because I was like I was to see reels everywhere about it and I was like ये क्या है? So even my sister started watching it before me. She told me that she wants Netflix richer because she wants to watch Lock Up and I was like क्या है Lock Up? Because I didn't even watch the season one. I didn't even hear much about it before. I guess that time it should come on Prime or I don't know what, but yeah, it is really good and I technically miss Lock Up. Guys, Maggie. Just 5 minutes left for Lock Up. मुझे मैगी से ज़्यादा है मैं टॉपिंग हिंदी मुझे मैगी से ज़्यादा मैगी चीज़ ज़्यादा so more than Maggie I like the Maggie water which is at the last and it has a lot of small particles of Maggie. It said it's something Ajinomoto whatever but I love it. I love drinking that. I'm get healthy in life but कैसे करूँ guys motivate करो मुझे motivate. So guys, I just finished watching Lock Up and now I'm going to watch Katra Ke Nadi. So before that, I'll come do my skincare and brush क्योंकि मैं देख के तेज पीस हो जाऊंगी और ये मेरा वो भी सिस्टम है. So I just want to I'll wash my face. I bought my products here already directly. I usually do my skincare there, but since I'm recording, so I just thought I'll do everything over here like my skincare. So I use this 2% salicylic and niacinamide face wash from what is that? Damaco. And it's my first time using it. And it's doing pretty good for me, but I am having a lot of breakouts extra because of my PCOS. But it has been reducing it also. Like if I get a pimple, like today, it does reduce the inflammation. I don't know how, but it does. It is a very good face wash for my skin. But क्या करूँ PCOS जो है मुझे like I have never got so many breakouts on my face before. Like never on my cheek area. I should always get on my forehead, but अब यहाँ पे reduce होके यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं. So I don't know what to do, but I do have some blood test to be done, and yeah, I want to I want to reverse it, and I have to, change my diet. I have to do exercise, but I'm so lazy. I have to work on myself, yeah. And yeah, if you go to have the same, please visit a doctor, get yourself checked. Yeah, I'm going to doctor now. Like, so I'm also advising you the same. Try to eat as much clean as you can. Because like every other girl is getting this issue, either they're getting PMOS or they're getting PCOS or whatever. Like any of the either of one. So yeah, take care of yourself. Like, I am going to try, slowly to change my diet. I have to reduce a lot of sugar also. Sugar is technically not good for anything, but sugar is really the worst when you have PCOS also. I should never use a tongue cleaner, but I got this one from Gum. And recently I've seen a lot of difference. Like I used to feel very to use a tongue cleaner, but now I'm so used to using a tongue cleaner. I don't know. Tongue cleaning does help a lot. So if you're someone who gets bad odor or something like that, use a tongue cleaner. Maybe that's the step you're missing. Because most of the time, आपका actual odor आपके tongue में होता है. So you start using one, and sometimes it's starting, you feel like puking and all, but it will be okay later on. Now for my skin, I'm gonna use the 5% niacinamide from Plum. This is been my best serum, I would say. Like I was using this during the day before, but now I'm using another serum which I'll share tomorrow. This from Plum itself. And this is my maybe third bottle. I've been using it from a quite long time. And it does wonders on my skin, to be honest. I stopped using it because I'm both lazy over there. I'm not doing my skincare. आते हैं वो दिन when I feel like not doing my skincare and I don't want to do my skincare and I just want to be there. I just apply moisturizer, apply powder and go. But yeah, now I started using it at night. Because during the day I use vitamin C, which also remove it from Plum itself. But I guess I need to switch it now. I should use niacinamide during the day and vitamin during the night because I guess using vitamin during the day gives me a slight black tint. I don't know, maybe because of the sun or something, sun exposure or something maybe. Like I am really not sure about that, but I guess I should switch it like before. So niacinamide helps reducing dark spot and stuff, and this does wonders for me. I also recently got one in their hamper. They had this birthday hamper which they were sent to me for a video, for an unboxing video. So I got around 8 9 products of Plum, and I again got the niacinamide rice water one, which I'm using now also. I was so happy because free में और एक मिल गया. And then I'm going to use this CeraVe moisturizer. This is their HA water gel hydrating moisturizer, which also I got in a PR. And I love this. Like, I was not using it earlier because it was giving me some sort of reaction on my skin, but now it's much better and I'm not getting any reactions. Or maybe it was something else. My PCOS also suddenly hits up, so I don't know if it is into the creams or my hormones. But I'm not getting any issues now, and it's really hydrating, and it absorbs really quickly into just like 3 seconds, and no sticky feeling or anything. It's really really nice. Like एक छोटा सा डब्बा आया था it's too good, it's too good. Like, it hydrates and gives my skin so plump and plumpy, like really good, guys. None of this is sponsored. कोई भी sponsor नहीं है. It's my honest review and honestly what I'm using. And yep, I'm done. And I'm just gonna this. Well, I'm gonna apply Vaseline. I always apply Vaseline and sleep because I don't know, but I'm getting this something on my lips. I had got a cut. I don't know when I got it. Like maybe when I was shaving, maybe I had got it. And then something white is happening. Like now it's much better. And I am someone who cannot stay without applying something to my lips. Like I'm so used to applying something to my lips that I can't even go out without applying a lip balm now. Like like I don't know. Like I'm just very much used to applying something to my lips. Either apply Vaseline or lip balm. It's always there. And at work I apply lipstick obviously, but lipstick के पहले भी मैं lip balm लगाती हूँ. So I'm so addicted to lipsticks and lip balms. Like lip balms to a lot. I have been using this Lakme one from quite some time. That also had got in the PR. Oh, the Lakme hyaluronic one, yeah, higher something, Lakme higher something. It's so hydrating and it's worth the money. It also has slight tint in it, so it gives you like nice pinkish finish. So yeah, so let's go apply this again. Oh, this was the lip balm that I was talking about. I had got this in this. This is the higher pitch added some lip balm in the shade Rose Sunday. Rose Sunday. It's always there in my bag and I always apply it because I love it. And now I'll go apply my Vaseline. First, let me just remove my slippers. I'll apply Vaseline and then उसके बाद मैं देखूंगी कतरों की खिलाड़ी. Sorry for the darkness, but yeah. So my Vaseline is always over here. So I'm gonna apply my Vaseline like my earbuds, toothpicks, my back roll. Suddenly, like I don't know, like a few weeks back, I got like such a bad low back issue. Like it used to hurt so bad, like a lot. Like a lot means a lot. I apply this and put it like करके रखती हूँ. Yes, I'll say good night to you all now because I'm gonna watch and I don't know where I'm gonna sleep. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night. Good morning, guys. So I woke up. I had my giacid water, which I soak and keep overnight. And I'm gonna do my skincare. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna do my skincare. Just show the products that I use in the morning for you all. So first of all, I use the Cosrx Snail Mucil, which is you can see it's very less left. Then I use the Plumka vitamin C vitamin serum, and after that I go in with the Ecologica moisturizer. And then at the end, I use this tinted sunscreen from Dot & Key, which I love a lot. It's the last step that I do. Guys, I'm getting a pimple. I don't know what to do. I'm getting one and I get that. So then, let's use the serum. I need to change my routine now. I have to do it in night, which I'll probably do from tomorrow. So, yeah. It is super lightweight. This serum is so lightweight, and it just absorbs so quickly. And it I have seen a bit change. You should actually use vitamin C for continuous 3 weeks to see the changes. And it's not been 3 weeks, but I'm seeing a bit. It has made my acne spots a bit lighter, and my skin is much lighter than before. So I just need to continue using it like continuously for about a month, and I can give a proper review about it. Like I should not be consistent with my skincare and stuff. Okay, like I was very inconsistent. If I'm bored, I don't do it. But somehow now I take the motivation to do it because I want my skin to look good. as years pass by. So yeah, I'm trying to be very consistent with it. Sometimes I should not do it. I remember once when I used to be at home, I used to say to my sister, "No, today I'm not doing because I need my skin to breathe." I used to always laugh. And the day I not do, she asked me, "Skin is breathing today." I remember that thing. And she said, "That is a sasta jugaad of making a towel dry." Like, can you see my skin? Oh my god, like it's so glowing. I just want all of these marks to go. Yeah, like I know it will take time, but we are gonna do it, baby. Like, and I'm gonna embrace my skin, the skin also. I am not like very insecure about it. But it is what it is. If I am having acne, I am having acne. So girls, please don't worry if you are having acne. It is fine. It is something that all girls have, and don't worry. हम भी clear skin एक दिन achieve करेंगे, but it's not necessary that you should have clear skin. Why? This is also good until you're having very bad acne, and you should consult a doctor. But don't worry if you're having acne. Even I have acne, guys, and like us, many else also have. So please embrace it, and yeah, you're flawless, baby. Guys, I'm gonna apply my sunscreen then. And not forgetting my deodorant. I'm gonna apply this. And I'm quickly gonna change and see. Guys, I changed so many outfits. And finally I'm wearing this kurta. It's been a while I have not worn it. So I'm gonna wear this. Uh yeah, like first I wore a pant. Then I wore a top. I was like, it's repeated. Like so many of my clothes got spoiled, like my tops. I started living alone. I didn't know how to put clothes to clothes. So like mix nahi karna chahiye, this and that. So it was all out of my mind. And yeah, but I learned it. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this, and I'm wearing my shoes, and then I'm gonna go work. So yeah, Sundays I do work. I'm gonna wear my watch, put my sunglasses, take my bag, and leave. And I guess I don't know when I'll see it because yeah, I don't know if I'll be recording. Let's see. Let's figure that out together. So yeah, let's go. So I reached at work. Like I'm gonna do my whatever I have to do, like my hair, my lipstick, and everything, and then I go out. So then back. Probably I won't record much. What do I record? आज तो मिल गया हाफ डे. So I just came home. I'll quickly freshen up, and I want to shoot that perfume thing I told you all, right? Series that I want to do, so I'll be shooting that. And I'm kind of tired, I know, because there is one here and there, and it's so hot here. Like there's no rains, there's no proper rains, and it's so hot. And I'm just planning the stairs, man. Yeah, I'll freshen up and see you. So I'm hungry, and I'm making some masala papad for me and some salamis. और मेरा फूड रूटीन कुछ हिला हुआ है, but never mind. I try to eat better, but I love masala papad, so I'm gonna make papad. But I got this from the store, and I'm going to add onion and tomato on top of it. Let's do this. Guys, I have dressed up. पता नहीं मैं कब सो गई. I just fell asleep. I don't know when. I quickly got up. I put my phone for a bit of charge, or like for charging a bit, and I quickly dressed up. I have this, इस सब दिखा दूँ. This thing. Oh, sorry, my messy cupboard. I have this jumpsuit which I bought from Westside Longback. I put my mic. My volume is, I don't know how, but I'll just check the audio later. And I'm gonna shoot a YouTube video or a reel as well. So we're gonna do two things today. So let's go. Guys, I just got done shooting the video, and I was just tying my hair up, and I heard some sound. I just came out and I go to see it is raining like anything. Like what the heck? And I was like, because the dupti and there's still sun, you can see it's raining also. And I was like, I guess I'll go inside. But it's too sunny. I got a little bit gloomy, so I came outside, but it's sunny. Guys, I just came to my cousin's place. Say hi. Hello. This is Ruth. I was just feeling bored, so I just thought of coming here. And yeah, she's doing something. She's doing some bookmark something. I bought a new book. What book? Smart book. Huh? Smart. What is smart book? Oh. Well, guys, like even I'm a Gen Z, but this level of Gen Z-ness मेरे में नहीं है. I don't even know what is smart book. Like, what is smart book? Dark romance. वाह, डार्क रोमांस को स्मर्ट बुक बोलते हैं. ये मुझे नहीं पता, आज पता चला. Every day is a new day of learning. Guys, I'm back home, and I guess I'll end the vlog over here because अब फिर से सब repeat होगा, like my evening thing. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Love you all.